Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video, I'll be replanting pink celery and my mealies. Let's get to it. Okay, so when you plant in mealies, you do want them like this. Like maybe you can put 3 in a row, like 3 by 3, and then you have 9 because they help each other pollinate each other. That's why you do need them to grow them in groups and not in a straight line but in a square or circle like this. So next up is the celery. So this is gonna be now my third time harvesting from this one, and then I'm going to put now the pink celery in here and leave this one here so it can grow much bigger again. So don't forget, with celery you always want to keep it moist, the soil wherever it is, how big it is, keep it moist and it will grow bigger and bigger and bigger all the time. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you guys. Backyard out.